Yes. Waga video na waga so bema. Waga video na no se bema. O wa ya to emi na gbon ama wa ya gbe. Wa jo pa wori manu wa na ye fa wori manu wa. Iba mi video no wa trade hian na. E video no wa sell hian. Iyan wa u me ipe aya wa ina. Imobo me ni hatayo because wa mi weather na jena ni weather or ake worry me or say my lajan kere dadi but e mi re do ta we na wa ga video na no say erishi no so obo ise ti ri don yo erishi e ga ti e ma ni rai omo no wo kan oku no si o se egume na ka we egumena roviona egumena we rovino kpia oro we tend to where azo say ya fe must to go to marriage oro we tend to but emi opa unu pa mi agege rishi owe na erishi la wo iyan we na fe area era bo ya pita ma we wa we ori oku ge ya mi ya o even we denera me bu me ni una wuri okwu egeje mi yawo agwo bo kan kwo na ni abi na guana agwo mo pa mo wawa sa ba no gya mo pa mo wawa agwo me keno kede eme keno ri erichi so pa emi pa ni do ka ma we yan we no ma ti ebo ora ti uki yawe gbege aya bo yen no do ora o wi ju e opia na we ri o de ma tagele no o de ma tagele na ya bo yen won ereba ono vidwe okpiana we berio o we na biomoku okpiana we berio ko kiare ni ewe inya we look into the matter and see into the matter. It's never too late. It's your short parable. Look inside the matter and look into the matter. It's your short parable. So imie video ya no trade ni ase di gumeke no de ade geja emena be si ezoni ma emena kia be si ezoni ma truth of the matter where ihuima e matter ma we na ita ihuima no bun ake no vone ya sameyi ake no vone e ihuima no bun sameyi oni osi e egbe mi ana ga sunu obi ye be dame obopa ye be dame obopa o devo eka itonwa eka kugbe e ora masoda fun megbe ora si megbe e hu na no buteje poto hu no gi bere we ope ayun si ni okion gane ona ye kanun ye wa na mi emi no miewa memo botegun ayo but we no na je iyen me 30,000 wo iyen me 20,000 wo iyen me 1,000 wo iyen me hotel wo iyen me fridge wo e ja me ladiana ise ti we tie bono pia ise ti tie bono ku devil iyen we aga gbe love I mean na me love e so me na me love na him we no na ma go for the rifle man una ma go for the rifle woman e so me na me bona him oni o se na naka we iyen wa kan ri oku aboyun egbe wa we mi we odebe yan na ne iviedu no go me e na ri nya ne gbe yi e na ri gu yi we na ya wa dolo yo e de to yeri oku lawa o de ri oku lawa we no be ya gwa le mi ri no ku ni e o na wa ka we to oku oku ni sevigo kege ni ya de ogu oku ni sevigo do iwe debe yan na ne wala o yin ahian yin iya we onwero wo mu agaria ne omo aga ko de so agbagi ma bia mo no condemn me dagbe ma we no wo ko ku ni je wedere na emi ne both of frustration emi no da yo ku meme no da yo pi ameme o hina ku kedo so la javeri o wi ye kawe ye so la jage no pe amuyan ria we bono bune awe ni ye gun aladian awe ni ye teme ni gbera beri o we no ya gion bi ere worion amu ya we bo mu ye ya ne we wa we nu taladian e teme na ladian but we no be ya gion bi ere worion we kini esu se yi kini eri o ya yi ne o ma bi o ri e o ma bi o ri lele kian o bi ere na jegbe yo so ladian erishi kenu ri aje niya we ri me kaya wo gi me ika ade do wa dolo ne kenuriri aje ya we gbege we ni kata asin nu ya we gbege we ni kata asin nu ga moku na omoku na awe mama oga menwe we oga ma wo wie oyin ga su sena ne wo wie o ta yen ga ri e yen wa me yan no bumerio nu wa lele kian but ore e ko be de ko eje wo ga ma wo wie oga ma sekin weje vota o bi re te ya do ekino doni gbe wa mi e be yan na wo oku na ti o mo na eme kenorie na eme kenokede saba na ome kenorie na ome kenokede eyan pa mi ayi do hamu we awe gesasa lajanvo awe hotel lajanvo de gesasa gino useti me joni ya science aduguma me useti me ri lawa eyan wo ma ye bie bi no gwana yan wo kokoko na ma ye bie useti ye ri lawa oni nu la o yin ma hian yin oge no da se zo wo ina no pe da ko no ku da ko imi na mekira mwezo fwa me se ti ade baba na na da go we gu ni da go no ko gu ibote ebe se agbona gije be webo na we na webo ika na opia no magi me nwa oku no magi me nwa enwe nwa de oni o se ma so alajan we atitiri o mari ise ti ya de kun ko ya rie o ma be ni meje ime kala ime dalajan wo ku na I have to study very well ikeri when it tiny so eke ana we here na awu uburigo kuna ya wa mo bogbama amona gboma na kagbe ebi na ya na una o me wo da o ga ede we se ti o we uwe nenia uri oge na go ne eri agbon na se e ma sunu we go we sunu we go ta agbon se ti we do ma wo koku na we go ta o do kinu we ana we ne yobo are kinu yibe de na ko erishi so emi opa me do hamu we na ni ha yen we ikwe man obun fine boy yan gwalo central boy yan gwalo yan ga mi ebene yan da so de yan do so matiti yan do so ma no pa no dogun yan gbuna ere yin na aru we ni agun egun yan we don talk to me oni ne go agun ani yan ta but o guy set ne go agun ani o ida agun aye the matter so my brother Rishi when we say eve do ya go egun na kenuriri aje meseti re don yo Rishi no Rishi won zo paroto waya yo epa igi awe ya gbe lo ma ima egwa yo kera da nu do anu si me no but we no Nigeria e na we cause about the word hama o we na kenuriri aje total oyoge ado we na bi omokpia o we na bi omokwu adego odoku ga we da yen we no kasunu koto ado no koto ada ke mi to no gboka yen we no kasunu no ekie ekenama uyi na gwalo na abie yi kinama uyi na ona ya bie yi o si na ya fine boy o si na ya we am no afarola ba wi ko na ya siko yi awe no ino get swagger ino get level anya ga mi no me saga na ya mi no level na ya ga mi ni ya mi ya da to new generation see what you do to me new generation do what you do to me when I'm one of afarola na mu igo ya no wezeni when ya dollar agmo yi maybe e pasu we ahe iya we akeno phone e ku ma same yo pe ni ma la we boy ma ya de ije de na la we boy go wo ko kwa kwa igwo wo ko okwa gwa we ga no we ma bath egeni ya bath ina je gbe ade na do igi gwogo ina ka you know bath e ri bi ya de efo so emi opa me emi ya ni talose sin emi opa me gi ka mu we Rishi kenuri ri aje niyan nu la o yan we gesa se lajanvo yan we hotel lajanvo awo me ma so awe fridge we lajanvo awe microwave ladian adugu ma me gesa se ne o ma me fridge ne we me microwave ne edita se du ma me e fridge ne awe me microwave mu no wo konko na because osu se ne ke no su se yi o gari ye awe mo ma o me nu e iyan we adobo mi we iyan we mi de ba oni opa me mari yan wo ni awo de ba yan we bo de ba o de do e bori de ba me mari yan but e gesa sireva hotel reva carpet reva silifan reva macaroni reva de we yan mu ne wo uguzio nu ya ogbe ayabo ye na dodo ami mi kere beri lewo cause awe na gunwana ni owo koku na uga pa yeje okuro owo koku no seti we ba total ni ari chi wa total wewe owo koku no seti mo 30,000 euro ni me upa omo 5,000 euro me upa omo 2,000 euro me upa awu ga pa yebe na gunwana no wa so ni awe ge nu wi yen won ni opa no gwale phone number ari chi nu tie ni wa make peace and place libo nu ka ma wa ya mi egbe e nu ri ogogo yo rion kebo ni wa tie ni gbo wa se ni sometimes o be ro be yana ma made mistake ma gbe zo la jam yana ai wa dolo maybe ezo ni wa do gbu ila jana ni ni wa ya wa dolo ni wa ya come together no so kebo ni wa tie kere da do wa gwa le dade wa ya ri se ni rishi nu la nu ri okola wa o kan no because anado mi oku no seti lajan de mata no veni o oku seti aro ke 30,000 munwe okay 40,000 munwe okay 10,000 munwe o de fridge munwe o de trailer munwe oku no te we won ma no gbe wa be mi ewe ma we won eniyan ami fridge wo seti munwe ami microwave seti munwe ami wa we na ya lokpon ni ba ti na ya lokpon ni ayoni uwe munewo no be na wa mi we to wa gbe oberi o we have to bu we ge na receiving agwana na we pogi we mania coronavirus kuliyan la wa ni ya coronavirus gbe wa kuliyan la wa ni ya egbe zaba ku ni àwọn we meje new generation memu o ma we meje new generation memu because yen kuge hotel na okunge hotel ne okunge for flat ne okunge guest house ne okunge fridge ne we meje megimu so nu la nu ye gwa lo no ya mu la wa rita se we na o wa ya to very short message we are still on it we are still looking on it we will be beginning to looking on it but I agree here though be ni really ya gun make una not vex the way I really talk o I no speak Oyibo for this one. I Benin I speak even though I speak the Benin not clear mona take am for me any Benin when I speak wetin I come for na Richie matter Richie when he dey for I don't know the country when he dey where they say he chop one woman money I don't know whether na true to na wetin dey circulate for outside they say the girl get 30,000 he get 40,000 he get 100,000 he buy microwave he buy a fridge he buy iron since Richie say you no like the girl again they say iron for inside make get iron if you no say get iron make get microwave you know say now what cup when it don full now our women dey put more now they invest put cup when it don full me wey dey do afarola now when you don say gold manna that one wey dey drink tea and bread na so they go talk that one wey dey drink tea and bread wey no go school illiterate na so they dey talk am see am now graduate na so no na cup wey don full now na dey put water if una dey see all those kind thing I no dey like to talk put because na wetin una go buy for market na wetin man buy for market na dey punish man na wetin woman buy for market na dey punish man. If you see the way people they talk for this matter now, you know say our women, mostly our Benin girls, now cup when it don't full, now they put water, and when the cup go backfire later, the people where they say no know how to talk that time where they look sila, the time where they follow this does reach so they say people waiting for area when they for it, they look the sila. So waiting will come back the rushing. They say guest house come out for side. They say hotel come out for side. They say microwave come out for side. They say fridge come out for side. If you not get a fridge, make get a microwave. If you not get a microwave, make get a guest house. If you not get a guest house, make inside this for property. If na hotel go get make get. So my sister, it don't happen like this. They say as they talk now, you not get where they go, you not go where they come. I beg. They say waiting man say or waiting woman say for life. Now beginning of lesson for life. Maybe if you come up for inside this one now, next time now, it'll be this one. This man I go block you now. Instantly now I go block you. You don't tell when I define you, I go block you. Coward man. You are a foolish man. Man will not get sense. I don't block you. Come again, go open another one. I first see the comment we write 3 days ago. I first look you. I said this man get sense. You know the shame me you carry your face, come do live video. Me you carry your face, come do live video if you be man enough. Can't talk with you, they talk so. If for inside the word when I talk so, the one way correct day, the one way not correct day, and the one way correct people go take and they will get sense for they'll take sense from this side. You yoke on the right side because you go school. If you go school, you know you see office where you go work. Now inside media you want to go to work. Now inside media you want to go to work. You not see your mate for office. Me not go school, that's why I dey for street. So you will go school, you can't write for inside media. Now inside media you want to write. You not go university, you not go Suka University, may go to do professor for there. You are a coward man. So as I dey talk, they go Richie. I beg. Now what I want to tell you, Richie, I beg. May you find some more money, give the girl, may organize yourself again. If you don't figure money, you know say sometimes quarrel fit happen like this. More not settle again. Quarrel not happen for relationship. If quarrel not happen for relationship, they not settle. Maybe sometimes like this quarrel fit happen, more not settle again. If you get your number, if you insist sit down as a man, think and say what did this girl do for me? So now out of love, if they do one for me, and this girl don't cry come out now. They say don't carry go juju place. They say me the girl not talk come out. As it they bond the girl for mine, the girl see cry come out today. If you get what you compensating, you feel compensating. If you don't want, if you not to marry him, may you take her house. As it be so, you know say me you don't marry 5 wives as it can't be so. Even though you marry 6 wives as it be so, in the invest put. He want me born for Abi, you know be say that he want me born for Abi. How is that better one? Okay, you know say me you don't marry 5 wives as it be so. Say in the invest put. You say you know if you invest, may go. Yeah, whether I'm see me anya, you don't see me anya. I beg. The one way you know you do for her, Richie, for her mama you do for her. Now so I talk and Richie. Once she give our sister advice. Our sister, mostly our sister, where they fine boy, where they find maca boys. Now waiting that they get for inside, I be this so. Now waiting that they get for inside be this. I beg, if you be man. If you be woman, my sisters. If you be sisters, my sister, I beg. If una they do something, una they do one. If you get money, they save them. All this money where this guy spend now. If you take and be hotel, Piki go come and join. Where spend just spend like this. So I beg our sisters. They say, "Ohuma bien no ma ejo ma mirie." Now say if be for man, if woman not born for me, no if carry my property they go. I beg anywhere on a day for part of the world, my sisters. I beg. I don't get time to talk to Nana. I don't get time. And Simone, because the way the matter they bomb me, the way video call they call my phone since yesterday, video they call my phone, different video don't come. Now I say when I come through waste more one, little one that I have, when I come through one for inside. That's why I drop and reach my sister, my brother. I beg, make una share the video, make go viral. Make una they press the notification bell. Make una they press the I like your thing. Make una see. I beg, Mona subscribe, go Prophet Atiti Top Show. Mona subscribe, go there. I beg, Mona they press the notification bell. Now the notification bell now important pass. So God go bless you now for money. He go bless you now for evening. This matter, for me, I not got so much to say. They say now wait till you go buy for market. Wait till you go buy now they keep person. Now wait till you choose to go buy. Richie. You go buy Richie. Richie don't buy you back now. So what we go beg on? If na microwave may give you, if na guest house may give you, if na hotel anyone will go give you for inside, he go give you. If you say no, he give you. So may you take art, may you look for that, may you go street, may if you go get street for Italy, for camp, you go see man wey never bath. May you go carry, may you go start to bath am. Not be the one way don't bath finish. You the one way don't bath finish. You say you want to go carry the one way don't bath finish. They say double wahala day for the dead body, double wahala day for dead body. Where they talk and the double wahala where they follow Central Boys where they waka. Now the double wahala where they follow they waka. Now be this one they see so. If you be that woman where they there, I beg you, Mona they look something they do. I beg Mona they look something they do. Now so I just drop and reach for now. Make una not vessel, make una share the video, make it viral. Thank you. Subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. Una bye bye.